Morning, everybody. It's Dr. Kenton Wakes Up. I'm Dr. Kenton. In the cup today is Peets. Oh, jeez. It's like bright and shiny. It's supposed to, it's got a lot of citrus. Let me see if I can bring it up on the Peets website here. Peets.com. I think this is bright roast. Yeah, I think it's called Suncatcher. Bright roast coffee. Notes of strawberry jam, honeysuckle. No, it doesn't sound right. Mine's more like, hmm. Bright citrus, nutty chocolate. Hmm. Anyway, it's from Pete's. Thought it had almond butter. Let me put almond butter. Off the grid. That sounds right. Bright medium roast. Milk chocolate, almond butter, pear. Yeah. Yeah. Off the grid. All right. So today's Monday. You know what that means? Meetings and opportunities to unbreak things that got broken over the weekend. Yeah, it's a holiday if you're a school kid. So no getting up this morning if you're a school kid. All right, that's pretty much it. I told you today is Monday. I told you about my coffee. I haven't told you about my day ahead, so I know that I have to get on the road here. Let's get to today, please. The 16th. Thank you. I got my meeting at noon and then a class at 5. So that's what my day is. Snow stopping soon, it says. I don't think we got any snow. It's been over freezing for pretty much the last 3 or 4 days in a row, which is thankful. I'm thankful for that. And I think I realized that what I like about wintertime is seeing snowfall. Not the cold, not the wind, not walking in the wind and cold. If I could only learn to spell. I'm trying a new word today. One letter. Okay. Just guessing. At first, all you can do is guess. Boy, that gave me some really great. I know we're. Well, I hate doing this so early, putting in a double letter, but I don't know any other words offhand that fit that pattern. Look at that. Whew. Oh, that's fantastic. A 3. Three any way you get it is pretty cool. All right, so yeah, I've got my stuff. I got my work cut out for me this week. Well, I put my plan together following the advice of Carl, and looks like I have a humane amount of stuff to do. So the next thing on my list today is to um, do my journaling. Love you, bye.